Here is just basically the screenshot of my computer, and what I wanted to do was take you to where you can create your own QR code. Now, there's several other free QR codes, places that you can do this. The one that I have chosen is what's called BeCurious.com, and this is the free version. I have yet to upgrade to the paid version, but I'll show you the free version first, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the paid version and what you can do with that. So first of all, you do have to sign up for an account, set up your email, and then confirm it. And then once you have your login and everything like that, you can get started. And it's really simple. So let me show you kind of basically, if you look over here to the right, this is the QR code that you're starting to see on different advertising and marketing pieces. It could be in windows of restaurants and stuff like that. But this is what you're going to end up generating for the QR code. Now, the basic way to do this is to just put in your URL or your website. And if you don't have a website, then obviously you're going to want to get one, because this is one way that this is going to work. So once you put in your website address, you just hit Create Code. And over here, if you saw that, it basically generated the code. Now, you can save it as a PDF, or you can save it as a .gif file. And when you do that, you're going to see it pops up. Now, unfortunately, the way that this video cast has worked, I can't take my smartphone. But what I would do with my smartphone here, and I already know it works because I tried it, is I have an app, which I have an iPhone, and I have an app called ScanLife. And I just open up the app, and it takes the image, and once it generates it, it basically takes me right to my website. It'll take me right to workingmomworkouts.com. And on there, then if I have an opt-in page or whatever, people will be able to see it. So pretty simple there. As far as just generating a quick QR code for your website. And you save this, and then you can also print this out and put it on your business cards. Like I said in my post, I put mine on my back of my Working Mom Workouts card, so that when people look at my card and they say what it is, and when they understand what QR codes are, which they will one day, they'll take their phone, scan it, and go right to my website. So hopefully I'll be able to achieve my goal of getting people to my site and joining the membership site. Okay, so that is just setting up the basic QR code for a website. Now, if you click on there, it takes you to the social media. And most people have Facebook accounts, and so you could just come down here. Actually, let me start. If you click that, you'll see at the bottom here it changed. So you put Facebook, and then I put my profile name in there, create code, and it should have, there we go. And now this is a different code for my Facebook. So if I put this on my marketing piece, or newsletter, whatever you want to do, people scan it, it'll take them right to my Facebook profile. And you can do this with a number of different ones. They've got the WordPress, they've got MySpace. If you have a YouTube channel, you can do that. If you got pictures on Flickr. So a bunch of different social media aspects, which is really cool. Now, another thing you can do is go to graphical. And I've already kind of created it here. But what you do is you decide that you want to put in the middle of this QR code maybe your logo or something like that. And this isn't really done to perfection here, but I'll just show it to you real quick. Well, I put my file, I basically hit this, and I choose one of my files. And then it loaded right here. I once again put my URL, and I'm going to save this as a PDF just to show you, make it a little bit easier. I'm going to create the code. And it should have automatically came up, but let's see here. Let's click on. Okay, so now that didn't work. Let me try this one. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. Um, you can see it in the middle here. Now, once again, I didn't choose a high enough resolution file photo here for this, but it's going to convert it down. So you want to make sure you have a pretty high resolution there. But you can see that in the middle of that, it says Working Mom Workouts in there, and it's got a picture. Just basically, it's kind of similar to the front page of my website. So I can put that in there for branding purposes or whatever, to keep people just not to think it's just any old QR code that you can kind of help with your branding. And that's that on the graphical side. You get the code and put it wherever you want. And they have one more thing, which is the map. Excuse me. And this is, obviously with Google local search, if somebody types in your place of business, obviously it hopefully pulls up. But you could also direct them there by essentially moving the dot to wherever you are located. Of course, I'm not in Denver, but you would basically put the place marker, and you generate the code. And once again, you save it as a .gif file. And when they scan this, they will basically pull up the map and exactly right to that spot, which hopefully that's your address to your business, and they can follow the directions right to your business. So really, really powerful stuff here with QR codes. And this being the free version, I did mention to you that there is a paid version, and I don't currently have it. I just came across this a couple days ago and just been playing around with it. I really like it, but apparently the paid version is that you can upgrade to track your QR code, which obviously if you're not tracking your marketing, you're missing out. So I'll probably eventually go ahead and get that upgrade. And at this current time, you have to actually contact them. So you can't do it online. You actually have to contact them. So anyway, this is just one place that you can create QR codes. If you did a Google search for creating QR codes, there's several others. I haven't played with all of them. Sometimes when I find one that I really like, I just kind of stick to it. But that's basically how to create a QR code. And once you have that, put it on all your marketing pieces, and you'll hopefully get a lot more people searching and landing to your sites and everything. Thanks a lot.